Morning everyone. So we have discussed like number system and permutation combination ki most of the questions we have discussed. Now we are left with more topics like averages, percentage, profit loss discount, ratios, mixtures. So these topics are left. So today we'll take this average wala part and remaining topics will be discussed later. So how do you feel about number system and permutation and combination? So we need to identify which type of questions are there in the question paper. Like you have gone through previous year questions, you have solved them, and you know what is the answer. Till now you have done this, like most of the previous year questions, most of the topics. So what can be our strategy, how we can revisit that previous year, those previous year questions. So what we can do, we can see the question, and first we can have this idea that this question is from which topic, like number system, then from which subtopic, unit digit or listing of numbers, classification of numbers. Then we need to think how we can solve this question, what concept we can apply in this question. So this way we can have this idea that this question is difficult या फिर simple है. थोड़ा सा idea लगेगा, because in the question paper you will get all the questions from all the topics like number system, permutation, from every topic you will get questions. So how you can identify कि this question I am going to attempt or not? इसी में तो time जा रहा है. What is happening with the paper कि like 80 questions are there, and how many questions if we do correct out of 80, how many questions are needed? Out of 80, if we attempt 27 questions and all the 27 questions are correct, that means we have cleared the cutoff, 67.5. But 100% accuracy के साथ we cannot attempt the paper. That is why we need to attempt more. 45, 50, 55. If we go beyond this, our accuracy will go down. So for every 3 incorrect question, your 1 correct question is also gone. So 4 questions apart from this 27 correct. If you are doing 4 more questions and 3 are incorrect, 1 is correct, still you are here 27 पे. So 80 में से 27 correct करने हैं, उसके लिए we need to attempt 50, 55. So we are going to leave around 25 to 30 questions. तो these 25-30 questions कहाँ से होंगे? Different part of the syllabus, and उसमें भी we'll try to find out which are on difficult side. So we can identify them and we can simply skip. The art of leaving questions in the CSAT is very important, because UPSC has given this barrier कि you have to correct these many questions. GS में तो ऐसा नहीं है. GS में तो cutoff will be made, and on the basis of that cutoff it will be decided कि who is going to qualify prelims. तो यहाँ पे yes, how to improve the accuracy? Practice. The simple answer is practice, but it is a very difficult answer. How we can practice? That is also very important. What sources we are having to practice? We have like previous year questions, and we have some test series के questions. So previous, अभी तो what you can do, simply go through previous year question 5, 6, 7, 8 year. अभी तो 5 years से ज़्यादा you don't have the time. You have just this time, you can go through last 5 years का questions and try to identify, revisit again the questions and try to identify कि which concepts are there which we can apply to solve that question. वो concept पता होना चाहिए. Because what happens with the GS also and CSAT, the same strategy we can go with. हमें पता होना चाहिए इसमें कौन सा कॉन्सेप्ट लगेगा. जैसे हमने प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन उठाया, सॉल्व करा, मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन वी हैव सॉल्व्ड. सो वी नो कि स्टेप 1, स्टेप 2, स्टेप 3 आंसर. अभी क्या स्ट्रैटेजी होनी चाहिए? revisit the question and try to find out which part of the syllabus, which part of the topic, and what concepts we can apply before solving the questions. तो थोड़ा सा ये डेवलप करो, क्योंकि अभी हमारे पास वी डोंट हैव दैट टाइम कि जिसमें वी कैन डेवलप दैट अंडरस्टैंडिंग इन ए बेटर वे. जो भी अंडरस्टैंडिंग डेवलप हुई है उसी को वी नीड टू रिफाइन इन कमिंग 10-15 डेज, और कुछ करना नहीं है. और क्वेश्चन पेपर जब भी मिले तो कोई ऐसा लिमिटेशन नहीं होना चाहिए कि आई हैव कुछ प्री कंसीव्ड नोशन ऐसा कुछ बना के नहीं जाना है दैट आई हैव टू अटेम्प्ट 40 क्वेश्चन, आई हैव टू अटेम्प्ट 50 क्वेश्चन, आई हैव टू अटेम्प्ट 55. ठीक. ट्राई टू गो थ्रू द क्वेश्चन पेपर्स, ट्राई द डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस एंड ट्राई टू आइडेंटिफाई कि क्वेश्चन पेपर इज डिफिकल्ट और नॉट. कैसे डिफाइन, कैसे करोगे आइडेंटिफाई कि डिफिकल्ट है कि नहीं है? व्हाट यू हैव रेड is there in the question paper, that question paper is simple. What you have read that is not there in the question paper is difficult. But the idea is कि हमें 27 correct question तो करते हैं. And we have identified till now RC, LR and maths. में what topics we have covered. So we need to decide कि from which part we can start with. मैथ्स से डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चंस आ गए, देन द ओनली चारा इज की गो विथ आरसी. मोर क्वेश्चंस वी नीड टू अटेम्प्ट फ्रॉम आरसी. अब मैथ्स से 40 क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं. आउट ऑफ 40 लास्ट ईयर भी 15 to 20 क्वेश्चंस ऐसे थे. इफ यू हैव रेड यू कैन अटेम्प्ट. उसमें से लाइक 3-4 क्वेश्चंस तो गलत होंगे. मोस्टली इट हैपेंस कि मैथ्स में accuracy is more because we know कि what is the answer. नहीं तो आंसर ही नहीं आएगा mostly. But still there are chances कि 20 questions you are attempting, 3-4 होने हैं गड़बड़. RC में it can be more. Reasoning में same with maths, more chances कि accuracy और भी ज़्यादा हो उसमें. So this way थोड़ा सा रोज इसके बारे में थोड़ा थोड़ा सोचना. Whenever you are reading CSAT, when you are attempting question paper, वो previous year हो या फिर test series का, just think about this कि what would happen if the same paper comes in UPSC exam. Try to feel that pressure. और 27 correct लेके आना है. थोड़ा सा दिमाग में ये रखना है 80 questions में से 27 correct questions we need to make, excluding incorrect questions and the marks deducted by those incorrect questions. So that way this idea should be in our mind. उसी के साथ question paper को attempt करना है. And you have read enough, I think. You have read enough, but do not take it on your ego कि I have read number system का unit digit. Very simple questions are asked, but this year unit digit से they asked very difficult question. So do not devote more than 2 minutes. Because what would happen कि 50 to 55 questions you are going to attempt. Roughly 2 minutes you are devoting for one question. So उसमें से जो one liner question है, try to identify कि can we solve them. There we can have some extra time left for other questions. Like 30 seconds में one question का answer is coming, that 30 seconds is left for RC questions. And whenever like RC, like newspaper, you might have read whole year. So you might be having a good idea कि how to comprehend things, how to summarize things. थोड़ा बहुत idea तो होगा. GS भी पढ़ रहे हो, उसमें भी you are basically summarizing the things, basically comprehending what they have said in the books, in the notes, everywhere. So this way थोड़ा सा confidence रखो अपने पे, और बहुत ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन नहीं करना है हमें. CSAT में 50, 55, 60 कितना कर सकते हो. डू नॉट लिमिट योर सेल्फ कि नहीं 40 से ज़्यादा तो नहीं करना है या 45 से ज़्यादा नहीं करना है. एंड डोंट थिंक दिस वे. एंड दिस इज मोर इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर साइंस बैकग्राउंड स्टूडेंट, साइंस एंड इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड स्टूडेंट. Because what happened last year, UPSC has given the data also, and they have interpreted that data this way कि we don't have any significant difference between humanities and science and engineering background student who passed, who cleared this exam and who did not clear that exam. That means UPSC has tried to convey कि humanities wale doing better. Indirectly. It is explicitly not written in the reply, but it was implicit. Because we think is what happens कि science and engineering background student, we are good at maths. But the way UPSC is asking question, science and engineering background student, they can solve these questions given 3 hours time. But 2 hours time में it is difficult. तो थोड़ा सा just go through different types and what concepts are involved, not the answer of the previous year question. The way we are solving that question, the concept we are applying in solving that question, that concept is important. And basic conventional way is needed. What is the conventional way? उसी पे UPSC is framing question. Do not go for different formulas. Few formulas are okay, but no more formulas. Like in every topic you are revising 10, 15, 20 formulas. No, 1, 2, 3 formula. Like average we are starting. Average में just one formula. What is that? How we calculate averages? Sum of observations divided by total number of observations. This is basically the average. That means equally distributing the things among everyone. Like in this class, when there are 100 students and they appeared for CSAT test and the average score was 100 out of 200. What does that mean? What it denotes? If someone is saying, like I'm coming here, someone said this statement, this information was provided to me कि this class का average is 100 marks. That means if I pick any student, I will think कि that student has got 100 marks. This is just the indication. Someone has got like 150, someone has got 80, but the average is coming 100. तो average का मतलब equal distribution of the things. Equally distribute कर दिया, that will become the average. Average में further if we go, UPSC has asked questions on this only. इसी formula पे based question UPSC has asked. Very simple question. Like every year 1, 2, 1, 2 question this way. इसमें we have this concept also कि what is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is basically average only. We have geometric mean. We have harmonic mean. But UPSC has not asked these kind of concept-based questions. Because there are some formulas involved. Like if two observations A, B are there, two observations A, B, what will be the arithmetic mean? Sum of the observations divided by 2. What will be the geometric mean? Square root of AB, or A into B के पार 1/2. If 3 numbers are there, A into B into C के पार 1/3. What will be the harmonic mean? Harmonic mean में क्या करते हैं? First we take the inverse of the data. We take the arithmetic mean of this. Then we do inverse of this. 2 steps में we calculate harmonic mean. 2AB divided by A plus B. This way you might have read about average speed वाला formula. Same distance, A से B. If speed is here S1, here S2, what will be the average speed? We simply apply this harmonic mean वाला concept. We don't say it, but we calculate यहाँ पे कितना time लग रहा है, here कितना time लग रहा है. Average speed will be the total distance divided by total time taken. So if I ask what will be the relation between this arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, if 2 observations are given A, B. So we can see कि arithmetic mean is A plus B by 2. इसमें if we apply, इसमें if we multiply harmonic mean 2AB divided by A plus B, what we are getting? We have multiplied arithmetic mean into harmonic mean. What we are getting? AB. AB को we can write square root AB का square. Square root AB is what? Geometric mean का square. So we got one relation with the help of these formulas कि arithmetic mean into harmonic mean is equal to this. Are we getting this relation or not? So these are basically the observations if we know what is the formula of this. We'll try to see the questions कि averages say how questions are being asked. See this question. The average marks of 100 students are given to be 40. So averages के question में every time you see, what is the formula of average? Sum of observations divided by total number of observations. So mostly we need to calculate this sum. Sum will be average into number of observations. So mostly questions में first step में we calculate this sum. Then we try to see कि what is given in the question. इसी के around question होता है. In this question what is given? Question तो simple है इसमें. Like x1 score कर रहा है first student, x2 second student का score, x3 third student का score. This way 100th student का score is x100. So what will be the sum of these marks? Average marks of 100 students are given to be 40. So this average 40 is coming how? Sum of these marks divided by number of observations कितनी? How many observations are there? 100. And this value is given as 40. This way we can write averages ko. So what will be this value? 4,000. This value will be 4,000. अब इसमें what is given? It was found later that the marks of one student were 53. Real में it was 53, but was misread as 83. That means this sum में suppose ये student है x1. इसके marks थे 53, but it was read as 83. So this sum में x1 की value is 83, sum is coming 4000, but the real score is 53. That means 83 के place में we should have added 53. So ये total score कितना आ जाएगा? अगर x1 का स्कोर 83 के प्लेस पे 53, कितने का डिफरेंस है? 30 का. दैट मीन्स यहाँ भी 30 से माइनस करना पड़ेगा. विल गेट 3970. सो न्यू टोटल स्कोर इज 3970. 3970. सम ऑफ द ऑब्जर्वेशंस डिवाइडेड बाय टोटल नंबर्स विल बी 100 ओनली, है ना? सो व्हाट आंसर वी आर गेटिंग? बी. तो सिंपल क्वेश्चन. दिस वे अगर क्वेश्चन आर आस्क्ड इन द पेपर, simply take the sum and see what other information they have provided. Apply that, you will get the answer. Simple है, ठीक है? See this question. A family has 2 children along with their parents. The average of the weights of the children and their mother is 50 kg. So what is given? Family has 2 children. तो फर्स्ट चिल्ड्रन का वेट C1, सेकंड का वेट C2, मदर का वेट M, फादर का वेट F. Then it is given the average of the weights of the children, average of the weights of the children and their mother is 50. Whatever is given, we have written that as it is. Average कैसे निकालते हैं? Sum of observations divided by how many are there? 3. 50. So sum will be, sum of the weights of children and mother will be 150. Then the average of the weights of children and their father is 52. So their sum of weights will be 156. Then it is given, if the weight of the father is 60 kg, weight of the father 60 kg, 156. So what will be the weight of 2 children? C1 plus C2, 156 minus 60, 96. Then what is the weight of the mother? Weight of the mother, in this equation we can see weight of the mother is there. So C1 plus C2 की value we can put in equation 1. So 96 plus M is equal to 150. So M की value 54. Answer. Simple है, कुछ नहीं करना था. Whatever is written in the first statement, second statement, we have just written them in mathematical form and we are getting the answer. मिल रहा है? See this question. Consider the following data. Average marks in English. Girls 9, for boys 8, overall 8.8. Then for girls 8, boys 7, overall X. What will be the value of x? This is asked. So in this we can see कि girls plus boys मिला के यहाँ पे average marks निकला होगा. यहाँ पे भी girls and boys का marks total निकाल के this average mark is calculated. So simply we can see there is a trend. Seven point 7.8 will be the answer. Reasoning का question. But what would happen कि this difference is not coming. This difference is different. कुछ ऐसा उल्टा सीधा कर दिया इसमें 3 variables ला दिए. और अगर conventional approach लगाएं तो what can be that approach? How we can calculate this overall average marks? We need to assume कि girls number of girls A, number of boys B. है ना? This way we can assume कि number of girls A, number of boys B. So how we can calculate overall average marks? Total marks by girls. अगर we calculate overall average marks in English, कैसे निकलेगा? Total marks in English divided by total number of students. Total marks by girls 9A, average 9 है, girls A है, तो total marks by A girls कितना हो जाएगा? 9 into A, sum of the observations plus 9 8 B divided by total number A plus B. In terms of A, B, we can calculate overall average marks this way. निकलेगा? And this value is given 8.8. Can we get a relation between A and B? If we simplify this, 9A plus 8B, 8.8A plus 8.8B, 9A minus this 0.2A is equal to 0.8B, or A is equal to 4B. A is equal to 4B. Correct? So if this year they can ask question कि what can be the relation between number of girls, या फिर they can provide statement कि number of girls are 4 times number of boys, number of boys 4 times number of girls. This way they can make some statement 3 4. उसमें से which one is correct? So this is the conventional way. Now A is equal to 4B. We need to calculate this x. How we can calculate this x? ये कैसे आएगा? Same way, total score 8A plus 7B divided by A plus B. We know कि A is equal to 4B. तो 8A, A is equal to 4B, 32B plus 7B divided by A is equal to 4B, 4B plus B. What we are getting? 39B divided by 5B. What we are getting? 7.8. So this way also we are getting answer. This way also we are getting answer. 7.8. नहीं तो ये तो ऐसे हमने कर ही लिया था शुरू में. ठीक है? Getting some idea? Averages में how we can proceed. Basic idea is calculate sum of observations. Then see कि what is given, what is not, what is asked. See this question. The average age of a teacher and 3 students. Teacher की age T, 3 student. Why I am writing XX? कि 3 students are of same age. उसको Y कर लेते हैं. This way we can assume the average age of a teacher and 3 student is 20. So what will be the sum? Average 4 से करेंगे divide यहाँ पे, that is equal to 20. So 3x plus y is equal to 80. ये निकल के आया. Then what is given? कि the difference between the age of the teacher and each student की age क्या है? x. That is equal to 20. अब 2 इक्वेशन मिल गए, x y की वैल्यू निकल के आ जाएगी. सिंपल है. इसको मैं ऐसे y plus 3x लिख दूं तब भी कोई दिक्कत. 3x plus y plus 3x. अब y की वैल्यू पूछ रहा है या x की वैल्यू पूछ रहा है? एज ऑफ द टीचर पूछ रहा है, तो y की वैल्यू चाहिए. इसमें इफ वी मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3, व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग? 3y minus 3x is equal to 60. तो y plus 3x is equal to 80. Then 3y minus 3x is equal to 60. If we add, ये कितना आया? 4y 140. तो y की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई? 35. सिंपल है, 35. So 2 informations are given, उसी से we are getting answer. सिंपल क्वेश्चंस हैं ये. तो एवरेजेस से क्वेश्चंस आ रहे हैं, दिस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आ रहे हैं, दैट मीन्स द क्वेश्चन पेपर में ये क्वेश्चंस तो अटेम्प्ट करते हैं. वी नो द लॉजिक कि हाउ वी कैन प्रोसीड, व्हाट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट. क्लियर? yes. If age not same, then they will provide some other information. Like C1 C2 वाला एग्जाम्पल पहले देखा था ना, उसमें क्या दे दिया था? फादर का एज. So this way some information they will provide. Whatever information they are providing in the question, just write it down, list it down. You will get some idea कि first information, second, third, this is the question. You will get answer. इसमें ज़्यादा कुछ दिमाग लगाने वाली चीज़ें पूछेंगे नहीं, like permutation and combination. See this question, 20 में this question was asked. And similar type of question they have repeated, 19, 20. In a class there are 3 groups, A, B and C. If one student from group A and 2 students from group B are shifted to group C, then what happens to the average weight of the students of the class? What would happen? This is a class, group A, group B, group C. Group A से some student are coming here. Group C से some student are coming here. So all the students are in the class. No student is going out. No student is coming in. So what will happen? What would happen to the average weight? It remains same. Very simple. Change तो होगा ही नहीं. So that is why this was very simple question. So what UPSC did next year, they asked this 21 में. There are 2 classes, A and B. Having 25 A, B, 25 student, 30 student. In a class A, the highest score 21, lowest 17. In class B, the highest score 30, lowest 22. 4 students are shifted from class A. Class A से 4 students are shifted to class B. First statement, the average score of class B will definitely decrease. Will definitely decrease. Will it happen? Why? Because class B में what is happening? Minimum score is 22. Class A का maximum score is 21, which is less than the minimum score of this. तो यहाँ का जो बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग स्टूडेंट्स हैं, यहाँ के लीस्ट परफॉर्मिंग स्टूडेंट से भी लीस्ट है, नीचे है. सो इफ दीज टू केस कैन हैपन कि दीज हाई परफॉर्मिंग स्टूडेंट दे आर कमिंग टू दिस क्लास, then also the average will go down because they are going to get score like 21, 21, 21. तब भी इनका एवरेज स्कोर कहीं आएगा 30, 22 के बीच में, like 25. अगर 25 स्कोर होता एवरेज स्कोर के इक्विवेलेंट, देन वी कुड हैव सेड कि हो सकता है ऐसा कि इंक्रीज कर जाए या डिक्रीज कर जाए. बट इन दिस केस these students are getting less than the least performer, so average will go down definitely. अगर ये चले गए 17 वाले तब तो और डाउन होगा एवरेज स्कोर. सो वी कैन से कि दिस स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट. द एवरेज स्कोर ऑफ क्लास बी will definitely decrease. Then what will happen to the score of class A? क्लास A के साथ क्या होगा? Again, two conditions can be there. These 4 students are high performing student. अगर किसी क्लास से हाई परफॉर्मिंग स्टूडेंट चले जाएं तो टोटल परफॉर्मेंस ऑफ द क्लास विल गो डाउन. पहले होता था ना स्कूल में डिफरेंट सेक्शंस ए बी. ए में ब्रिलियंट, बी में लेस ब्रिलियंट. तो क्या होता था, जो अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं करते थे तो क्लास का स्कोर क्या होता था, नीचे जा रहा होता है. तो जो लीस्ट परफॉर्मिंग स्टूडेंट होते थे उनको सेक्शन बी में भेज देते थे. उनको धमकी भी मिलती थी कि स्कोर अच्छे नहीं आ रहे, यू विल बी डिमोटेड टू सेक्शन बी. सो द सेम थिंग हैपनिंग हियर. इफ हाई परफॉर्मिंग स्टूडेंट they are going to class B, what will happen? The average score of A will go down. Average score of A will go down. If the least performing student, if they are going to class B, the average score of class A will go up. Will go up. So second statement, incorrect. It can increase, it can decrease. So this year they can ask this way question: the average score of class A can increase. Can increase. If this way it is written, then it is correct. But definitely it is written, so it is incorrect. ठीक है? See this question. The average score of a batsman after the 50th inning was 46.4. Language, we need to see what is written. The average score of the batsman after his 50th inning was 46.4. So what would have been, what is written here? Like total score in 50 innings divided by 50. This is coming as 46.4 or not? Answer 49 or 62? 49. अभी यहां से चलते हैं, देखते हैं फर्स्ट स्टेप, देखते हैं व्हाट आंसर वी आर गेटिंग. total score 50 in 50 innings divided by total innings 50. This average is given this 46.4. So what was the total score in these 50 innings by this batter? है ना, अब तो बैट्समैन वाली कैटेगरी नहीं है. So total score will be 50 into 46.4. What will be this value? 2320. ये होगा total score, correct? Then second statement, after 60th inning his average score increases by 2.6. So total score in 60 innings divided by 60 is equal to what? Earlier average क्या था? 46.4. इसमें what was the increase? 2.6. What we are getting? 49. So what will be the total score in these 60 innings? 60 into 49, यही होगा. What value we are getting? 2940. अब आंसर कितना आ रहा है? 62. So total score in 60 innings 2940. Total score in 50 innings 2320. What is asked? Last 10 innings में what was his average score? यही पूछ रहा है. तो last 10 innings में average score how we can calculate? Sum of scores in last 10 innings divided by 10. तो sum of scores in last 10 innings 2940 minus 2340 कि 60 में जितना बनाया था उसमें से 50 वाला 50 तक का स्कोर इफ वी सब्सट्रैक्ट विल गेट लास्ट 10 इनिंग्स में कितना स्कोर बनाया था. आएगा कितना आ गया ये? 2940 टू 620 62 आ गया. 62 ही आ रहा है आंसर सबका. 49 कैसे आ रहा था? हाउ वी वर गेटिंग 49? कहीं कैलकुलेशन में मिस्टेक हो गया होगा. ठीक है.
Hello aspirants, ready to master the UPSC Prelims exams? Introducing Sandhan, the personalized test series from VisionIAS. Gain access to over 15,000 high quality questions customized for your personal study needs. Choose between VisionIAS and UPSC previous year questions for your tests. Sharpen your time management with timed assessments under exam conditions. Get tailored feedback and recommendations from targeted improvement. Build your confidence through customized practice sessions. Take control of your preparation. Enroll in the Sandhan Personalized Test Series today.
One number system का question in averages. इसको we can say it is the question from number system or this is the question from averages. Three P plus 4P plus PP plus PP is equal to RQ2, where PQR are different digits. What is the arithmetic mean of all such possible sums? Sorry. So what concept we can apply? Number system we have read. What concept we can apply? To Q, R. So what is the arithmetic mean of all such possible sums? So we need to calculate R, Q की possible values. Then only we can say कि these are possible sums. And unka will calculate arithmetic mean. How we can calculate R, Q की value? When we can get what is the value of P. तो P की value सबसे पहले निकालना है. After then we can get Q की value and R की value. So what can be the possibility for P? Unit digit P plus P plus P plus P. And what can be the possibility for P? P is a digit, single digit. So it can take value 0, 1, 2 till 9. So these 10 possibilities are there for P. उसमें से we need to find out कि which fits here. P key value if we put 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, here 0 will come. That means 0 is not a possibility. If we put 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 4. 1 is also not a possibility. 2, 8. 2 is also not a possibility. ऐसी P की value रखना है so that we get 2 here. अगर we put 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, what we are getting? 12. 12 का 2 will be here. That means P is equal to 3 is a possibility. Then 4 पे 16, 5 पे 0, 6 पे 4, 7 पे 8, 8 पे 32 का 2. That means second possibility for P is 8. मिल गया? Now we can say if we put P की value 3, what sum we are going to get? 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. What we are getting here? 2, 1 carry over, 4, 4, 8, 8, 6, 14. This is the first possible sum. Then second possible sum, P key value will put 8, 3, 8, 4, 8, 8, 8. We are getting 2 here. Carry over is 3, 6, 10, 16, 26, 2, 6, 2. 2 possible sums we are getting. What will be the arithmetic mean of these 2 possible sums? दोनों का sum करना है, divide करना है. Observation 2 है, तो 142 plus 262 divided by 2. What we are getting? 404 divided by 2. 202. Simple है. 202. 202 आ गया. ठीक है, इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम? बस ये P की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने में वी नीड टू चेक कि व्हाट आर डिफरेंट पॉसिबिलिटीज. Then we have this. The average weight of A, B, C is 40 kg. The average weight of B, D, E is 42. So this year we can expect 24 में कि averages से they will ask questions 1, 2, 3. क्योंकि last year as such कोई question नहीं था. The average weight of this A, B, C, A plus B plus C divided by 3 is 40 kg. So A plus B plus C 120. Then B plus D plus E, B, D, E divided by 3, इसका average कितना है? 42. So what will be this sum? 126. Then what is asked? What is the average weight of A, B, C, D, E and F? तो A प्लस B प्लस C प्लस D प्लस E प्लस F divided by 6 will be the average. A plus B plus C की value, it is 120 plus D plus E plus F. B plus D plus E is given, but here what is extra we are getting? D, E, F. D plus E की D plus E plus B है यहाँ पे, but here D plus E plus F. What is given? Any other information? And the weight of F is equal to that of B. That means F is basically B. So D plus E plus B कितना है? 126 by 6. What we are getting? 246 by 6. 41 kg. Simple है. So averages say this way questions can be framed. The basic formula is sum of observations divided by total number of observations. This is all about averages. तो एवरेज से क्वेश्चंस आएंगे तो इस तरीके से वी कैन सॉल्व. ठीक है, तो आज का सेशन एवरेजेस तक ही था. फिर कल से विल स्टार्ट अदर पार्ट्स. ठीक है, तो ठीक है, तो इसके साथ आप लोगों को ऑल द बेस्ट. अच्छे से तैयारी करो और पैनिक मोड में नहीं जाना है. पैनिक अटैक नहीं, पैनिक अटैक नहीं आने देना है. उसके लिए जस्ट गो थ्रू वॉट एवर यू हैव डन. कुछ नया करने की कोशिश मत करो अभी. ठीक है, थैंक यू.